Hello guys and welcome back. In this video I'm going to be deriving the algorithm for multiplication, or in other words I'm going to prove that it works. The algorithm for multiplication is, say we want to multiply 26 times 13. We go about it like this: 3 times 6, 18, carry the 1, 3 times 2 plus 1, 7, 10 times 6, 60, 10 times 20, 200, we add it all up, 338. This is the algorithm for multiplication. It always works, it's very efficient, but in this channel we derive things. We show why it works. We don't just accept things as true. And we can prove that this works because we can go about this like this. We can say that we have 13 rows of 26, or 26 rows of 13, right? And this is what multiplication is, right? So what we do here is we break up this multiplication into true, right? Let me rewrite that for you. Myself more room right here. Alright, so when we multiply 3 times 6 and then 3 times 20, as here. Sorry about that, I'm getting text messages. And we multiply 10 times 6 and 10 times 20, as seen here, right? And if we multiply this out, we will get 78. And we multiply this out, we will get 260, and we add it up and we get this, right? And so what we did here is we split up the 13. We split up this side, right there. So now this part right here is 3, and this is 10, right? 3 plus 10 is our 13. So what we're doing here is 26 times 3 will give us this area, and 26 times 10 will give us this area. But when we use this algorithm, we take it a step further. We break this down because we don't multiply straight up 3 times 26. We multiply 3 times 6 and then 3 times 20, right? And then add it up and get 78. So what we do is do 20 times 3 plus, this is plus, and 6 times 3, and then we break this down as well. 20 times 10 plus I'm sorry if this is getting a little messy. I hope you can follow what I'm doing. I think it will be clear in the end. Okay, so what we did was break this down. So when we multiply 3 times 6, 3 times 6, and 3 times 20, 3 times 20, and then add it up to get 78. So if you multiply 3 times 20 is 60. 3 times 6 is 18. Add it up, 78, which is what we get, right? And then 20 times 10 is 200. Plus 10 times 6 is 60. And we get 260. And we add these up, and then we get 338. And that is why this works. And we could see this visually here. If we break, because we the first time we broke it up, we broke up the 13 side, right? We broke this number up into 3 and 10. So now what we did, we still kept the 3 and 10, but we broke it. We broke up the 26 into 20 and 6. This is a 20 right here, 20 and 6. So what we did here is we broke up the 20 and 6 into 6 and 20, right? So then we multiply 20 times 3. 20 times 3 will give us this block. 6 times 3 will give us this block. 20 times 10 will give us this block. 6 times 10 will give us this block. And if we add them all up, we will get 338. This algorithm is very efficient and always works. But here in the US, they only teach us the algorithm. They don't really teach us why it works. And it's important to know why it works because we can apply it later on in more advanced math. And that's about it. If you have any questions, I know it was a little messy, a little hard to follow, just leave a comment. Thanks. Take care, guys.